Adult lifestyle living at its best. Welcome to Twin Elm Estates, a premier park-bridge community in Strathroy. This beautifully renovated park home offers stylish, easy living in a welcoming 55-plus community. Step inside to find new flooring throughout, a brand new kitchen with gorgeous quartz countertops, soft close cabinetry, a bonus coffee bar, and a large walk-in pantry. The cute laundry area with side entry leads out to a deck perfect for morning coffees. The living room is bright and inviting, with a dining area just off the kitchen and a bonus family room for extra space to relax or entertain. There are 2 generous bedrooms and a well-designed bathroom featuring double sinks and a tub/shower combo. Outside, enjoy a gazebo on the concrete patio, an oversized single garage/workshop, a beautifully landscaped backyard that backs onto open farmland, and an additional storage shed. Updated central air and a double driveway round out the practical perks. But the lifestyle here is the real draw. Walk to nearby shopping including Walmart, tee off right next door at the golf course, or access hospital and medical facilities just minutes away. The Twin Elm Clubhouse is the heart of the community, offering everything from potlucks and crafts to cards, shuffleboard, and even on-site fitness equipment. Join in as much or as little as you'd like. It's also the perfect spot for hosting larger family gatherings. If you're ready for a simpler, social, and more relaxed way of life, this is it.